To reset Fire Stick remote. First, unplug the Fire Stick from the TV, and wait 60 seconds or more. While it is happening, grab the remote, and press 3 buttons: menu button, back button, and left navigation button. Keep it held for 15 seconds. Before using the controller, wait 5 seconds. Then remove the back, and take the batteries out. Plug the TV and wait until the TV screen comes on and the written message shows "Remote can't be detected." After that, put the batteries back inside and keep pressing the home button until the blue light starts flashing. That indicates it's pairing with the TV. Now, I find these a little bit finicky, and sometimes when you press and hold, it doesn't always work. So, I recommend spamming this button a little bit until it fully connects and resets your Fire Stick remote. I hope it will be helpful to you.